Hi, and welcome to Adalysis. Think of us as your PPC co-pilot, a virtual assistant that audits, monitors, and optimizes your Google Ads and Microsoft Ads accounts. It's like having an extra team member that handles data analysis and alerts you to critical issues that need your attention. In this video, we're going to focus on performance monitoring. Often when you're working deep in an account, it's easy to miss the big trends that are happening, such as there's a decrease in conversions or there's a large increase in spend. And so that's where KPI monitors can help alert you to those items. Now, if that happens, you need to know why. And Adalysis uses a visual data flowchart to help you really drill down into that information. Now, it's easy to create a performance monitor. If you go into your account, you go under the audit alerts, then under monitors, you'll see create a performance monitor button. Click on it, and here we can create them. So first, we need to think about the scope. Do we want the entire account, only certain campaign types, campaign names, and so forth? Second, we'll choose the frequency of the monitoring. And then we need to know what do we want to monitor. So for instance, we could say if conversions goes down by 10% comparing week over week, alert me. And then we can also choose to have notifications triggered and sent to us, so we also get an email when this happens. We can apply it to other accounts at once, and we can add it to our global template. Then when we save it, if this happens, we'll be notified. Now, the first one are changes by percentage or values. Sometimes you want to monitor an absolute number, which is common with ROAS. So we could also say if my ROAS goes below 4 on any one day, tell me about this. And if you've never made one of these before, you can also see the predefined monitors. Just look at what they are, choose one, copy and edit, and also save it. So once we save these, we'll see a list of the monitors we've created in our accounts. Now, if they get triggered, you'll have this root cause button. You can click on this, and we will load the performance analyzer with the criteria you selected. So the same scope as its account, different campaigns, the time frame, and so forth. You can also run this on demand by going to Performance in Analyzer. And then here we'll see what is our changes. So in this case, the alert was triggered because we had a large decrease in impressions. So we could see our volume went down 38%. We can click on these bullet point icons, and then we'll see the campaigns, the search volume, and the changes. So we can sort by the changes to see the big change came from the campaign apparel. And then we could see it came from this particular ad group. And then we could look even further and say, well, the biggest absolute change was actually in the hats ad group. Click through to see what is the biggest change in there. And then we could see there's actually a lot of pause keywords, and that's the root of our change. Now we could take this and also say, well, we know we have a drop in impressions. Did this affect my conversions? And do the same analysis looking through our conversion data. So by having access to these visual flowcharts, you can very easily compare data. It's easy to set up your KPI monitors to let you know there's a trend happening you need to go look at. And then you can use the visual data along with the drill down capabilities to find out exactly where it's happening. And then you can use this information to influence your decisions of what needs to be done to optimize your accounts. This is just the start of what Adalysis has to offer. If you'd like to find out more, check out our website, start a free trial, or get in touch if you have questions. Thanks for watching.